All of you know that when we draw the various geometrical figures, then using the geometrical instrument, you have a compass box and various instruments in our compass box. So today we see their uses of geometrical instrument and introduction. So now here is the first instrument we see. These instruments are called as the ruler or scale. These instruments are said to be the scale or ruler. Now observe this instrument. You see some longer line and some lines are shorter. Marks on it. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are written near longer marks. Some lines are shorter and some lines are longer, some shorter. Near the longer line, numbers written. These numbers denote centimeter. It is understood that the first long mark to the left of 1 is 0. Each number denoting the distance between the two numbers is 1 centimeter. Hence, from 1 left of 1 is no any number, means here is the 0. 0 is the origin. Each centimeter on the ruler is divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each small part is called a millimeter. The distance between two numbers is 1 centimeter and distance between the two shorter lines is 1 millimeter. What is the use of the ruler? What is the use of this instrument? The using instrument to measure the length of the given segment or draw the segment of given length. See the next instrument, geometrical instrument. These instruments are called as protractor. These instruments are called as the protractor. Now observe the protractor. The protractor has shape semicircle. The shape of the protractor has semicircle. The semicircular edge is divided into 180 equal parts. Each part is called a degree. 1 degree written as 1 degree written as 1 degree. 1 degree, 40 degree, 40 degree, 110 degree, 110 degree. This type written as. Now, when you see the carefully observe, marked on the protractor 0, 10, 2, 20, 30, 40 up to 180 equal parts from left to right, and some numbers marked on protractor 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 from right to left. It means that if there is given angle measure, we draw the angle right to left or left to right. Now, the center of the circle of which the semicircle is half is called the center of the protractor. These plates are said to be the center of the protractor. हा कोणमापकाचा केंद्रबिंदू आहे. Its diameter is called the reference line of the protractor. आणि या रेषेला तळरेघ किंवा संदर्भ रेषा असे म्हणतात. संदर्भ रेषा किंवा तळरेघ. The center as well as the reference line are shown. Use them to find the center and the reference line on the protractor in our compass box. What is the use of the protractor? The use of protractor, we measure the angle or draw the angle of given measure. For example, if we draw the angle, any measure, now the vertex point, this is the vertex point of an angle. Protractor center put on the vertex point and reference lines coincide on the ray. कोणमापकाचा केंद्रबिंदू हा कोणाच्या शिरोबिंदूवर ठेवा आणि ती असणारी संदर्भ रेषा ही रेवरती ठेवा. Now, when measure the angle, then started from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. What is the measure of this angle? The measure of this angle is 70 degree. We measure the angle from right to left. We measure the angle right to left. Now see we more examples of a measuring angle. Now draw the angle 120 degree. Suppose जर आपणास 120 अंशाचा कोन काढण्यास सांगितला तर कसा काढतात पहा. Now draw the one ray. This is the vertex point. Take a protractor, put on vertex point, coincide the reference lines to the given ray. Measure the angle from right to left. 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Mark on 120. Take a ruler and draw the other arm of this angle. Now the measure of angle is 120 degree. The measure of this angle is 120 degree. This type we use the protractor instrument. Main two uses of the protractor: draw the angle of given measure or measure the given angle. या कोनमापकाचा महत्त्वाचा उपयोग म्हणजे दिलेल्या मापाचा कोन काढणे किंवा दिलेला कोन मोजणे होय. There are two more types of instrument in the compass box. Let us see how to use them. See the instrument. These instruments are said to be the set square. What is the use of that set square? Now observe their angles. When we draw the angle, then we get the angle we get angle. What is the measure of that angle? The measure of that angle is 0, 10, 20 and 30 degree. It means that without protractor we draw the angle 30 degree using the set square. More we use that set square. Draw the one more angle in the other corner, then measure the angle. The measure of angle is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We get 90 degree angle. That angles are said to be the right angle. One or more corner we get angle here. Measure the angle. Zero, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. It means that using that set square we get three angles. That angles measure 60 degree, 90 degree and 30 degree. Without protractor we draw the angle of measure 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. See more, here we get angle 90 degree, right angles obtained. Now let us observe. Now take a piece of paper and draw an angle of any measure on it. एक कागदाचा तुकडा घ्या आणि त्यावर कोणत्याही मापाचा एक कोन काढा. Now fold the paper so that the arms of the angle fall on each other. Fold the angle arms fall on each other. कागद असा दुमडा की त्याच्या कोणाच्या भुजा या एकमेकांवर येतील अशी घडी घाला. तयार झालेल्या घडीमुळे काय होते? What does the fold do? Observe that the fold divides the angle into two equal parts. That type. We get the angles two equal parts. आपल्याला कोणाचे दोन समान भाग झालेले पाहायला मिळतात. ते कशामुळे झालेले आहेत? या दुभाजकामुळे. तर यालाच कोणाचा दुभाजक असे म्हणतात. दिस फोल्ड इज द बायसेक्टर ऑफ द अँगल. This is the bisector of angle. Take a point A, one arm, and take a point B, other arm. Now, when measure the distance, both that time we understand the distance are same. Distance are the same of the angle. That type. This is the bisector of angle. Now today we are going to learn the next point, to draw an angle bisector using a compass. कंपासच्या साहाय्याने कोन दुभाजक काढणे. To draw an angle bisector using a compass. कंपासच्या साहाय्याने कोन दुभाजक काढणे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ड्रॉ एनी अँगल ABC, ड्रॉ इट्स बायसेक्टर. कोन ABC हा कोणताही एक कोन काढा, या कोणाचा दुभाजक काढा. आता कशा पद्धतीने रचना करायची आहे काळजीपूर्वक पहा. नाव ड्रॉ द अँगल ABC, एनी मेजर, कोणत्याही मापाचा एक कोन काढा ABC. Give the name of an angle A, B, C. Now take a compass. First, metal point and pencil point adjust. Both are same necessary. Now place the point of compass on point B. Take a distance our convenience. आपल्या सोयीने कंपासमध्ये अंतर घ्या. and put on point B. B वरती ठेवा. Draw the arc. That arc intersect ray BA and ray BC. That arc intersect ray BA and BC. Where intersect arc ray BA and BC, give there is the name point P and point Q. Now next step, कंपासमध्ये सोयीस्कर अंतर घेऊन त्याचे टोक बी बिंदूवर ठेवा आणि किरण BA आणि किरण BCला छेदणारा आपण एक कंस काढला आणि जिथे छेदतात त्या ठिकाणी नाव दिलेलं आहे बिंदू B आणि बिंदू P आणि बिंदू Q. Now place the point of compass at P and taking a convenient distance draw an arc inside the angle. आता कंपासमध्ये पुरेसे अंतर घेऊन कंपासचे टोक P बिंदूवर ठेवा आणि कोणाच्या अंतर्भागात एक कंस काढा. We draw the one arc inside the angle. Now don't change the distance. आता हे अंतर न बदलता. That compass point put on Q and draw the arc intersect to the first arc. पहिल्या कंसाला छेदेल असा दुसरा कंस काढा, अंतर तेच ठेवून. नेम द पॉइंट इंटरसेक्शन ॲज पॉइंट O. दोन कंसाच्या छेदनबिंदूला O नाव देऊया. नाव ड्रॉ रे BO आणि कोणाचा दुभाजक काढा जो आपल्याला मिळेल रे BO. Name the point intersection as point O. Now draw ray BO. Ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. तर अशा प्रकारे या ABC कोणाचा दुभाजक हा किरण BO आहे. या किरण BO मुळे कोन ABCचे दोन समान भाग होतात. आपण अजून एक उदाहरण पाहूया. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. ड्रॉ एनी अँगल PQR. Draw its bisector. Draw its bisector. Now draw the angle PQR of any measure. Give the name angle PQR. Q is the vertex. Take a compass, take our distance, our congruence, and draw the arc ray QP and ray QR. Draw the arc intersect to the ray QP and QR. Where intersect arc रे QP, ज्या ठिकाणी कंस PQला छेदला आहे तिथे नाव देऊया A आणि इकडे B. यानंतर आपल्या सोयीनुसार अंतर घेऊन कोणाच्या अंतर्भागात पुन्हा कंस काढायचे आहेत. पुट ऑन कंपास पॉइंट ऑन A. ड्रॉ द आर्क. आफ्टर दॅट take a compass point on point B. Don't change the distance. हे अंतर बदलायचे नाही. Where intersect to arc. Give the name. M. And draw the ray QM. Q आणि M मधून जाणारा, या Q आणि M पॉईंटमधून जाणारा किरण काढा. In this example, ray QM is the bisector of angle PQR. तर अशा प्रकारे कंपासच्या साहाय्याने कोन दुभाजक काढायचे आहेत.